Hi guys! So this week and next week's lesson is going to be on Chapter 12 vocabulary terms from To Kill a Mockingbird. So this week I have given you a list of 6 words that you should be able to find in the assignment description. That is the same assignment that this video is found in. So this week you have 6 terms, next week you're going to have different 6 terms. For each week, this week and next, you are going to have the same assignments, but you're going to do them on the different words for that week. So for today, Tuesday, you are going to want to look up a dictionary definition of all 6 of those words. That can be from dictionary.com, Merriam-Webster, wherever you want that is a dictionary definition. And then you're going to want to create your own definition in your own words. That definition does not have to be extremely long. It just has to show me that you guys know what that definition is talking about and are able to interpret what it is saying. So I have created an example, and I will be giving this example for all of the assignments that you have to do. So my example word is altercation. The dictionary definition of this is a heated or angry dispute, noisy argument, or controversy. The definition that I created in my own words is an argument or verbal fight. So my definition shows that I know what the dictionary definition means. So this is exactly what you are going to do for all 6 of your terms. And you're just going to want to fill it out in a Google Doc, turn it in, and then tomorrow I will film another video for you describing what you're going to be doing using altercation as my example for that. So that is all for this assignment. I will see you on Wednesday for the next one.